So far, how's your stint with the Thailand League?
Right now, I can say na I'm really adjusting to the way how Thailand plays, and most especially 3BB. But definitely, I'm really enjoying it, and I'm really getting goosebumps palagi kahit every time lagi ko sila nakita kasi I can see the talent, and I'm really inspired and motivated to play and be a better athlete din talaga because of them.
Today, nakita mo for the first time siguro si Coach Francis. How do you feel
Yeah,
about it?
well, the last time I saw siguro Sir Vince was nung UAAP pa. And I'm just really happy to see him, and you know, it brings back all the memories from high school, from the national team before then. And I'm just really glad to be to take part na dito sa national team tryouts.
Ano feeling mo na nag-tryouts ka with the mga aspirants na mas iniidolo ka? Starstruck yata.
Oy, grabe, hindi naman po. Well, I'm just, ano ba masasabi ko? I'm really happy po. I'm really glad na meron akong siguro time also na nagkatugma rin yung nagkaroon ako ng time, and napayagan din ako ng team ko, ng club team sa Thailand to go here just to try out and to show also na I really wanted to be part of the national team and really want to represent the country naman po.
Ano magiging commitment mo sa national team considering nasa Thailand ka?
Well, definitely if you know, Thailand team, the 3B, my 3BB family also, they're very considerate, they always take care of me, and they really want the best of kung ano yung mas makakabuti sa akin. And they know naman po na it's really yung country, it's bigger than anything else. So I think they will really understand kung ano man yung mangyayari, and they will really support me lang po.
How long do you see yourself playing in Thailand?
How long? You know,
Hindi ka mababalik dito?
babalik naman po. Hindi naman po mawawala na dito pa rin talaga ako sa Pilipinas naman po. But I'm just really glad na I'm really seeing a lot of talents in Thailand, and ako personally na pinupush ko din yung sarili ko to para mapakita din sa kanila na Philippines is trying to do also what they're doing para yung level of competition natin, yung level ng laro din natin, mapantayan din natin yung ibang Asian countries.
Ito lagi tinatanong, is there a possibility na maglaro ka sa PSL?
Well, you know, hindi,
Or open ka ba sa ganung possibility?
well, the possibilities and the opportunities are always there naman po, and I'm not closing naman po any possibilities at the same time. So, let's see, mahaba pa naman po din yung, I hope medyo healthy tayo para mahaba pa rin yung patuloy pa din tayo maglalaro kahit ano, basta volleyball, di po ba? Basta kung ano yung mahal natin, lalaroin din natin.